I'm at the top of the stairs, on the second floor. There's music piped in everywhere. That's the guest bedroom. We'll go in there a second. Elevator. Master. Let's go in the master. Fireplace. Giant bed. Into the bathroom. Okay. Look at the size of this closet. This is crazy.
You've been up here?
No, I
This
haven't.
is as big as Jamie's bedroom at home.
I think it's bigger.
Okay. No big deal.
It's not, but it is a safety issue, that's why I pointed it out.
Shower.
What does that mean?
Water closet. That's what. It's a mirror. Oops. Okay, back. Here's the view from. Wow. Gazebo. Okay, guest room.
This is huge. You should see this, Nancy, for the guest.
So you can cut through
Yeah.
between the master. Okay, sorry, I'm going 100 miles an hour. You cut through. What is that? The laundry room in there?
Yeah.
No, is that the laundry room over
Yes.
there? Okay.
Is it beautiful?
It's gorgeous. Everything.
So this is a queen.
And back out into the hall. And I guess this cuts through to the master. It's a laundry room in there somewhere. Here it is. Okay. And let's walk upstairs.